What's going on YouTube? Ty with xking.com with another video. In today's video, we're talking about what are your income vehicles. Now, what I mean by that is, when you was 18, 19, maybe 19, 20 right now, you had vehicles. You have maybe one vehicle that you go back and forth to school with, you go back and forth to work with, you hang with your friends with. That was your one car. And, you drove for a while, and it may break down. And then when you break down, you had to get it fixed. And sometimes that fixes might take longer than usual. So once one vehicle is down, you had no way to make the extra money or go nowhere. Say with financial. See, financial is another vehicle. So say this is your job. Your job is this one vehicle that makes you money. Do you have other vehicles to make you money in case that one vehicle breaks down? You have another vehicle making a little bit of money. So what are your financial vehicles? Is it stocks and bonds? Is it peer-to-peer lending? Is it for me, YouTube? YouTube is a way to make some passive income. It's another vehicle to make money. My blog, the xking.com, hasn't made no money, but with hard work and time, it could possibly make some money. So it's another vehicle. I use Acorns. Acorns is an investment app that will invest automatically for you. And I'm seeing some positive results. Start out small, give it time, you start making money. It's another vehicle making a little bit of income. I'm about to get on Robinhood as well, do stocks and bonds that way. I'm about to get a high yield savings account. That's another vehicle, make a little bit of money. My money is making money. So that's 4 or 5 ways right there that could possibly make you money in the future. It's other vehicles making you money. So you gotta think about what other ways can I make money besides my job. And you want to do this in your free time. And I found that it's nowadays with automation and your smartphone, it's easy to lend people money. It's easy to get in stocks and bonds and make a little money from there. I'm about to check out Lending Club, peer-to-peer lending, and I believe you can put in $100 and get 8% return on your money. That's a pretty good deal. And I know it's like 36 months to 48 months, but it's just, if I could get small monthly payments of my money, and while I make a little money from that, I can automatically just think about it. You put in $100, right? You put in $100. Let's say you make back 120. That $20, the 120 you invest, now you might make 130, 140. Then you invest that plus $40, $50 because your initial investment was $100. So you see where I'm going with this. You will always, that little snowball could be a bigger snowball over time, just with $100 investment. So that $100 investment could make you a lot of money. So it's another vehicle to make money from. So I'm gonna do the Lending Club. I'm gonna set the account up soon. I'm gonna do a YouTube video on that. I'm gonna do a case study, just throwing $100 in there and see where it goes, with my percent, how I set it up, all the good stuff. So, but another vehicle. Now I'm on Acorns. I'm also back on Uber. I'm Uber on the weekends, Fridays and Saturdays. So that's another vehicle to make some income. So you see how I have multiple ways to make money. So in case my job do falter, my job does fall, I'll lose my job, I can always depend on my vehicles to make a little bit of money. Now, it's not as much I make in my job, but it's a start. I'm not panicking. I said, okay, I lost my job. What can I do? Well, I could do Uber to make some income. I can do more YouTube videos to make a little more income. I could write more blog posts to make some money, to help my blog grow. I started my blog last year, so give it time, it'll start growing. I can do more investing. I could do more investing. So it's just what are your vehicles of financial wealth? Perhaps you gotta try these things out now while you're making the money, while you have a job. Start the blog now, do the YouTube channel now, start doing Acorns, start doing the investing, peer-to-peer investing, clubbing. I thought it was called club investing. Try to do all that stuff now while you're working to see if it works. So you know it works, you can put more money into it. So yeah, that's it for my video today. Just what are your financial vehicles? Are you investing your money? Are you trying to make some passive money? Are you building something? You gotta do something more than your job nowadays, because jobs be more automated nowadays. I made a video. I'm in a parking lot of Walmart, and half the cashiers are gone. They got kiosks now where you scan yourself, and pay for your own stuff yourself. Over time, you think it'll get better? You think you'll go back to having more cashiers? I doubt it. They'll probably have more kiosks, because kiosks don't get sick. They don't late for work. You don't got to pay them time off. You don't got to pay them health care or health insurance. You're paid for itself in a couple of years. So start investing in yourself now. Getting Acorn set up. Acorn is automatically does it for you. You don't got to do anything. I don't think Acorns is really a vehicle, because I'm not even driving it. Having a Acorns kind of like Tesla. It's like having an autopilot vehicle. Because I'm not even doing anything. It's doing all its own. I throw a little money in there, my roundup, throw a little $20, $30 in there, and it's doing itself. So it's like having a Tesla. I call Acorns a Tesla of investing, because it drives itself. That'll be my next video too. Acorn is like Tesla. I'm gonna do the next video. TyForSking.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.